Okay, hi there. Super quick video. So they have added a new transition blur. It's been out for like a while, I guess, but I just recently noticed that it wasn't there before and now it is here. So I don't know when it came out, but blur. So what you can do here is you can toggle and it'll blur things in like that. The default amount is 5. So everything else is normal, like duration, easing function, but amount is going to tell you how much to blur it by. So 1, that's not much of a blur. So it just kind of fades in, you see. But if you go up to something like 100, then it's pretty intense blurring like that. So you can play around with it. Like I said, everything else is the same. Amount is the main thing, how much of a blur you want. Let's look at 11. Yeah, that's a more normal 11 blur like that. Okay, also it's bad practice to have text in your pictures usually, because if people can't see them very well, then they won't be able to read it, or someone's using a screen reader or something. But that is all, and have a nice day.